Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you if TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper has dual SIM. Yes, TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper supports dual SIM, but you can only put one physical nano SIM in, so if you want to use dual SIM you either need to use one physical SIM and one eSIM, or two eSIM cards. In order to install an eSIM card, go to Settings, then go to SIM card and mobile network, and then click on Add SIM. Then you can click on Set up an eSIM, and you'll be able to scan a QR code provided by your network carrier, and then it will install an eSIM. To insert a physical SIM in, find the SIM card tray, which is on the left side of your phone, on the top, and then you can click on, you can use a SIM card tray opener or any other needle that will fit into this hole. Put it in until the tray pops out, and now you can take the tray out and you can see it has two places, but a SIM card can only go into this place, and here you can only put an SD card. So here is a SIM card, and if you want an SD card you can put it here for more storage, but this is the one for network, and I can put it in like that, and now you can see the text that I have a SIM card in, and the other SIM can be installed via eSIM module. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.